Let's learn about support settings. In LG TV, click on the settings icon, then click on support. Here, you will see multiple support-related options. Click on software update. You can view your current software version here. To check for a new update, click on check for updates. Enable auto update to allow the TV software to update automatically without any notification. If you turn it off, the software will not update automatically. You'll need to update it manually. Click on User Guide to open the complete TV guide. Here, you can explore all the features and functions. Click on Quick Help to view a set of helpful options. Select Optimization Settings. Your TV will analyze current settings and provide optimized suggestions. You can view both the current settings and the recommended ones. To optimize a specific section, click on Optimize Items. To optimize all settings, click on Optimize All. Click on Help Library to access various troubleshooting options. Choose one based on your needs. Click on Self-Diagnosis and Care. Here, you can test all the available functions. Click on Magic Remote to check its status. Battery level, pairing status, wireless signal environment. Click on Screen Self-Diagnosis. A sample image will appear. If the image is clear, click Yes. If not, click No, and the TV will provide troubleshooting guidance. Click on Sound Self-Diagnosis. Listen to the sample sound. If the sound is clear, press Yes. If not, press No to access help guides. Click on Memory Optimizer, then click Start. This will optimize your TV by deleting unused apps or unnecessary data. Click on Home and Store mode. You'll see two options. Home mode is for regular users. Store mode is for dealers. Click on TV information to view your TV's specifications. Click on Privacy and Terms to read the TV's privacy and terms. Now you have learned support settings on your LG TV.